quick video explaining the maintenance cartridge cover is open. Basically, when the shirt board is out, you will see this on the screen. So don't get paranoid and start resetting the waste tank, all kinds, because you'll end up blowing the chip. So right now you'll see that because the shirt board is out. So when we load it, it'll say checking cartridges, and then it'll go into ready mode, which you'll see the little handy tool icon, and do your head cleanings and nozzle checks or whatever you need to do. Okay, so we can go back to the screen. You can see that it's in ready mode now. So that's all that cover error is for. It's just when the shirt board is out, you will not see the ready mode on or any of these icons. Okay, so that's all it is. If you have any questions, just feel free to contact support.